Yo, what's up, team? My bad. See, man, I get caught up in Trader Mike's Discord, and I completely forgot to start up my own stream, you know? So I start talking to people about stocks and Trader Mike's, and I just I'm oblivious to the fact that my stream was supposed to start already. So, what's up, guys? Good morning. Hope y'all are doing well. What's up, Eric, Dean, Mark, Plato, Supra Drums, Nika? Good morning, guys. How are y'all doing today? In my country sounding voice. What's up, team? Alright. Just to put it into perspective, though, guys, I am holding NAVS. I'm just showing you this. I am holding this one. I bought 100 shares a little bit early in pre-market. We're going to be trading, and we're going to be taking some swings today in my little baby account, and we're going to see if we can make this thing work. But yeah, I'm holding 100 shares of UAVS. Profit target is over 175. Risk level is about 140. I want to see this thing push above the VWAP and then continue to rip up. But yeah, I'm holding 100 shares. Yes, Nancy, that was me. I am going to be creating a new Discord, and I'm going to be deleting our old one in 2 weeks. And so I'm just going to try to build up. That's why I didn't even post my new Discord link, really. But yeah, that was me under the new name. Yeah, I'm creating a new Discord, and I'm going to be deleting our old one in about 2 weeks. And the old one's acting weird. There's a lot of bots there, and I'm just going to delete the old one and start a new one. I haven't really been pushing our old Discord either, and so that is what we're doing. So I went ahead and started a brand new one. What's up, Callan? Two-Way, the champ. What's up, bro? Taco, good morning, man. Man, Callan, Troa, Super. What's up, man? Yeah, you're good, Nancy. Honestly, Nancy, I didn't even post the link, to be honest. So, like, I didn't even post my new Discord link. But yeah, that was me. I appreciate your cautiousness, though. I really do. Like, I appreciate it. You know, people are looking out. I get it. I'm very skeptical in the same way. So, no worries. But yeah, that was me. What's up, team? Alright, but yeah, I'm holding UAVS. I'm holding 100 shares of this thing. Can I do today's show in my country western voice, please? I mean, listen, I'm from Louisiana, and so I do kind of have an accent that I can turn on and off if need be. But I'm from Louisiana. I live in Texas, you know, but really, originally, I'm from Louisiana. And so, Louisiana accent is kind of like, it's a little bit French, you know. Like my mom's last name is Vaillant. So a little bit Cajun, you know. And so really, I'm Cajun too. I did one of those DNA tests. And the results came back that I'm like, if I remember correctly, I'm like 60% English. My last name's London, and so naturally, you know, I'm gonna be English. But I'm about 15% French. I'm about like 5 or 6% African American, believe it or not, and I'm a little bit of everything else. Like, I've got a little bit of Ashkenazi Jewish in me. I am a little bit of Mongolian and a bunch of other good stuff. So it was cool. Really, I'm a man of the world. Is what I am. You know. It's not crawdads. Nobody really calls them crawdads. Most of the time, people just call them crawfish in Louisiana. You know. But yeah, nobody really calls them crawdads. Most of the time, people just call them crawfish. You know, same thing with like New Orleans, right? People pronounce it in Louisiana. They pronounce it New Orleans. They don't say New Orleans. Nobody says it like that. Tourists say it like that. It's mostly New Orleans, you know, is how most people pronounce it. Or if they have like a really deep accent, it's like New Orleans, you know. but it's not New Orleans. That's incorrect. But I'm holding UAVS. We're getting a rip up here. It's looking pretty right now. I'm about to take some off here. No, I didn't make the beats, Super Drums. I didn't, bro. I wish I did. There's some fire beats, but I didn't make them. Alright. We're gonna see though. What else we got? Hey, nice Mike. What's up, man? Yeah. What's up, Mike? What's up, dude? Yeah, go Tigers. Yes, sir. I'm holding UAVS. I don't know what to do with this thing, man. Yeah, I mean, some people might call them crawdads. I mean, that's not wrong. It's not like New Orleans, you know. Yeah, that's right. It's New Orleans is really how you're supposed to say it, but, you know, it's close enough. But yeah, I'm holding UAVS. Maybe I should have taken profits. We popped up to 165. Yo, team, what's up? Alright guys, wish me luck on UAVS. We got a few other ones moving today though. Specifically NVAX is popping off here. NVAX. I'm holding, like I said, I'm holding UAVS right now. We're going to see if we can make it work for me. NVAX, if you like more expensive stocks that nobody can afford, NVAX is popping off at over $100. We have FTEK. FTEK sitting right around 119. We're sitting at 116 for FTK. I'll watch this one, see if we can hold over $1. I don't mind this risk level here as well. I don't think that's a terrible risk level. And like I said, if you're just now joining us, I am holding a little bit of UAVS. We're going to see if we can let this thing run. I'm up $4 in the trade. I'll take that. We also have a FTFT, which is gapping up on lower volume though. We got VXRT, which was the former runner the last few days, and now it looks like it's popping off here. This is the daily chart though for VXRT. Over $6, interesting. At this point, the previous closing price is $7.37, and so it looks like we're about break even right now. Okay, maybe not. The previous closing price is $6.44 for this one. So VXRT is another big one on my watch list today. We also have ENDP here. ENDP. Like I said, if UAVS starts to either run or fail, yell at me, guys. Yell at me in the chat. We got ENDP ripping up here. We're watching this one. We got HEPA. That is bouncing up here from 288 to 333. We'll see if this one does. And yeah, let me know if you have anything specific you want me to take a look at. Somebody's asking for my stream link. I got you. Yeah. Every place has their own way to pronounce it, you know. Like in Louisiana, like the speech patterns are usually like you'll hear me say, you know, a lot. And that's what people in Louisiana usually do, is they'll say, da 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 da, you know, that's what I say a lot. That's my Louisiana speech pattern, if you can vaguely hear it. That's how us Louisianians talk. But yeah. Am I going to trade AEZS? I don't know, man. We'll see, bro. maybe I might trade this thing. I don't mind dip buying this thing either. But I'm currently holding. Whoa, UAVS is doing it, man. It's doing it. Let me get out of this thing while I can. Whew. Lovely, love it. Here, I'm gonna sell part of my position here. Yeah, we're gonna sell half. Took half off there. We're holding 50 shares left. It ain't gonna be a losing trade now. Love it. Hey, thank you, Christian. I appreciate that. I was honestly about to miss it. You know, I was about to miss it. What else we got? A lot of people talking about BLU. BLU. Oof, BLU, guys. This one's gapping up from 340s to 385. Let's go ahead and look at some news today. First one I'm going to look at, shout out to Trader Mike's Discord, is BLU. Y'all want to go check out the dopest of dope Discords ever? Y'all go check out my man Trader Mike's Discord. I'll post this link here. Really active Discord. Has a lot of really nice traders in this thing. And yeah, they're the ones that they've been calling out BLU all morning before it ripped. And so y'all go check out Trader Mike's Discord. Let me post this link here. Boom, there's his Discord. Y'all go check it out. But yeah, BLU. Let's go ahead and look at some catalysts for these moves. Alright, so this is a biotech stock. UAVS is getting there, man. I'm gonna hold the rest and see. Like, my whole plan with these is just to let this work, and I'm gonna see if this one can go a little bit more parabolic today. Like, that's all I really want to see, is I want to see this one kind of go parabolic if we can. Alright, so it sounds like BLU is Bellis. It was upgraded to an outperform rating. We're going to come back to UAVS. BLU outperformed lowered price target. Neutral analyst Guggenheim downgraded Bellis Health to a neutral from a buy. And so that's the news with it today. It's still gapping up really strong. This thing's gapping up from 340s all the way to 380s here. It had a huge drop yesterday. This looks like a, what, a 3-to-1 split? Is that right? Let me see. When was this? This was on the 6th. Oh, so bad clinical trial results for BLU is what it is. So bad clinical trial results dropped this one. Now it's kind of rebounding after a huge monstrous drop is the problem. So we'll come back to that one. UAVS is still trying to break highs. I might as well go over that one since I am holding. Hey, I appreciate you subbing, Avenges. Thank you, sir. Y'all hit the subscribe button. We do this live every day for free. You know you want to. Hit that subscribe button, guys. But yeah, we're also looking at UAVS here. What's up, Yovan? LVGO, I got you, man. I'll take a look at that one. Yeah, kind of the same thing. Louisville. Kind of like what's the rapper guy from Louisville? Can't think of him right now. But yeah, UAVS is up. This is AG Eagle Aerial Systems. And their CEO issued a shareholder letter. Let me get a little bit closer so I can bring my mic a little bit closer. There we go. The CEO issued a shareholder letter, and they announced the pricing. Wichita Eagle mentions company in article about Amazon's Wichita warehouse. The city company they cite the company's quote potential involvement in the facility And then again, the CEO issued a shareholder letter that was positive for UAVS, ultimately pumping the stock up some. I'm not going to read the whole letter. They say, we are actively engaged in building. This has been and will undoubtedly remain an exciting and ongoing process. I firmly, and this is all quoting from the CEO's letter, I firmly believe that AG Eagle has what it takes to become one of the leading, most trusted commercial drone tech services and solutions providers globally. To achieve that aim, we are committed to a highly focused growth strategy centered on 3 primary industry sectors, which is drone hardware, drone packaging, and hemp cultivation, registration, oversight, compliance, reporting, and data analytics software solutions for government and commercial customers. Nailed it. But yeah, UAVS is up after this letter from the CEO. We'll see what happens here. Jack Harlow is his name. Yeah, that's it. That's it. Bryson Tiller's his name too. Yes, sir. Really, I was thinking of Bryson Tiller, but Jack Harlow. Jack Harlow did a really nice 5-finger of death on Sway. I've seen that before, you know. I'm a rap connoisseur, if you will, you know. But yeah, UAVS is up here. We'll see what happens. It's at 166 right now, 167. I'm gonna hold these 50 shares and just let this thing work. I've already up enough to be good in it. What was the other one somebody else is talking about? LVGO. Yeah, LVGO is up, gapping up from 77.63 to 85s. So yeah, they lifted their second quarter revenue guidance, and shares are up. So they raised their guidance for LVGO. So we'll see what happens there. But that's the deal with that one. We also have NVAX, which is a much more expensive stock. But this one is popping off this morning. Way more expensive than most people can really afford, I think. This is just an expensive stock. It's a biotech and it's expensive. So though it's expensive and volatile is what that means. Hey bro, I'm old too, man. Alright, so NVAX won $1.6 billion in funding to continue developing a vaccine. So yeah, $1.6 billion in funding was received, or was won over by NVAX to build that vaccine that they want. I'm going to put a little bit better scanners up here. So, you know, y'all can get the better scanners. I got some better ones here we can take a look at. Yeah, hold on, guys. There we go. Yeah, these are just better scanners. We're gonna have more. There we go. That's much better. You can see them all and take a look at all of them. Yeah, no. All right, guys. So, looking at NVAX. What else? Somebody's asking for the stream link. My bad, bro. Hold on, man. Yes, sir. Tesla Dragon Workhorse. Hey, we're gonna see. Yep. Oh man, UVAS. Shout out to my man Trader Mike's Discord. Yeah, I'm still in it. Hey, come on, let's break these highs for UAVS. Like I said, I'm holding 50 shares now. But hey, early morning dip buys. I'm happy with it. Let's see if we can break these highs up here. We're at 172s now. Come on. 175 is a big resistance level. A lot of people don't realize it. But 175 is like a legit resistance level. All right, we're gonna use this 169 level as my risk, maybe. Hey, and y'all remember to hit the subscribe button. We day trade live every single day for free on YouTube. Every day we day trade live. You know, we show you our account balance, profit and loss. We're just a free resource and community. We dropped a great video yesterday on the top trading tools, and we're gonna be dropping a bunch of strategy videos from here on out in the week. And so you know you want to hit the subscribe button, guys. Come on, UAVS. Yeah, I did bought this one at 150. Really at 154, but hey, you know, I can't have the perfect entry. All right, what else we got today, team? We got a VSLR, FTEK. What's the other one? We're gonna come back to this one. I'm gonna put UAVS on my other watch list, or on my other chart. We got FTEK here, which is dipping down to the whole dollar. This one doesn't look bad. Gapping up from 88 cents to 115, where it's sitting now for FTEK. Alright, so this is a fuel tech sector stock. They awarded multiple equipment orders totaling 2.2 million. That came out yesterday, and after hours it looks like. So yeah, they secured equipment orders that were totaling 2.2 mil for FTEK. I'm still holding UAVS here. I guess I'll use 165 as a risk. I'm just trying to give this one the chance. I mean, it's up to the highs here. I feel like I gotta let it work. One of the things that has been kind of hurting me is just I'm exiting. Now I could take a little bit more off just to secure profit here and be really kind of stingy with it, but yeah. So I'm holding 25 shares left. Like we'll see what happens, you know. But it ain't gonna be a losing trade, that's for sure. Hey, thank you, Trader Mike. Thank you, brother. But yeah. What else we got? We got ENDP here. ENDP popping up. I'm still holding UAVS. Just I scaled out of most of it now, but we're still holding a little bit. ENDP here. Alright, so this is up after FDA clears the KW or the QWO cellulite treatment. So FDA approval for ENDP. We'll see what happens. This is one of my favorite ones. Ooh, look at UAVS go. Now, I'm using this $4 area as a risk. Look at all this confirmation here. Look. Boom. Boom. Look at that confirmation. So yeah, we're holding that. UAVS is popping up to the highs now. We're popping up there. We're doing things. Let's see if we can break 175 now. But yeah, I'm holding UAVS. We're going to see what happens. Somebody's asking me for my stream length. Hold on, bro. I got you. $500 deposited, Jay-Z. They've never done that to me, man. Maybe they changed it. Thank you, Jeremy. $500, man, that's crazy. Usually, bro, like what I usually do. What I usually do here is for TD Ameritraders, just chat with them and say, yo, can I have real-time quotes? And they usually unlock it for you. $300 or $500 seems kind of steep. I've never heard of them asking for that much, but I'm not saying you're lying. I'm just saying maybe they changed it. But yeah, on demand, you should get on demand without that though. Like you should be able to get on demand without any of that. Like it's not just paper. It should be you should be able to get on demand without that though. But UAVS is starting to pop up. We're at 172 now. Yeah, UAVS is ripping up. Let me know in the chat right now what you think, what your favorite stock is this morning. ANVS, I got you. Yeah, ANVS doesn't look that bad. It sounds like the Lion King song. Let me see. What's up, Jeremy? What's up, Chaz? CRBS, I'll take a look at that one too. Also, guys, another fun thing. I'm gonna start getting involved in Forex. I'm gonna be trading some Forex. I'm not gonna stream live just because the hours are all crazy for Forex. I would have to get up at like 4 a.m. But I'm gonna trade some Forex on stream too, coming soon, coming very soon. So yeah, ANVS is up. We can look at the catalyst behind this news, and then we can just look at the market news in general. But yeah, this is a novice, and they won the approval for a phase 2 trial of the ANVS401 to treat Alzheimer's and Parkinson's disease. Interesting for ANVA. So we'll see what happens here, but we're watching it as well. We got MYOS here too, popping off here. We got a HEPA. If you're just now joining us, we'll look at HEPA here as well. If you're just now joining us, I am holding a little bit of UAVS, about 25 shares now. And like, if I can, I scaled out of most just so I can see if this thing will rip at the open. This is Hepion Pharmaceuticals, and they showed positive results against the COVID-19. So they did some testing, and they showed preclinical data supporting the novel two-pronged approach to treating COVID with the CRV431. So positive data came out for HEPA. We'll see what happens there. Like I said, I'm holding UAVS here with like 25 shares left. Whoa, where's my mouse? There we are. See, I've scaled out of most of this position. It's not the end of the world either way, but a beautiful little dip by there. And this is a strategy I've been talking about a lot, is that one of my favorite is looking for stocks with high relative volume like UAVS. Like, I look for stocks that have high relative volume like this, and then I look for them to dip down to either a half or whole dollar, right? In this case, it was a $0.50 right there at 150. And like, yeah, it broke underneath it a little bit, but my risk was right here. I called this risk out multiple times, and I called out my reward target up here at 175 too, which I've basically gotten. But yeah, I look for stocks that are gapping up with high relative volume in pre-market, and then I dip buy them at half or whole dollars. And it's a really profitable way to approach it. I've been using that strategy for the last few days, and it certainly works. Like I said, though, we got FTEK here as well. Looking at the SPY is actually down pretty big. I also drew out this level here too for this dip buy, because I'm just the greatest stock trader ever. But I mean, I've lost a few of these trades too, but these were okay. I'm happy with these. Like I said, I'm just telling you guys what works specifically for me. Might not work for you. You want to understand that. FTEK looks kind of like the same thing, although it's not the half or whole dollar. But yeah. Looking at the SPY itself, like if you want to look at the overall market, guys, the SPY is down, and we can look at the news for the market right now, but the SPY is down pretty big today. I'm going to go ahead and read the ETF preview here, and this is from MT Newswires. It says, quote, stock futures were posting modest losses, reversing gains in the previous session as continued increases in infections, particularly in Florida and Arizona, have overshadowed the recent released June data on the service sector activity, which came in stronger than expected, which is a signal that the industries in the sector are starting to recover. Remember, this is quoting from MT Newswires. To look into releases today, investors will be keeping an eye on May Jolts report from the Labor Department, which is out at 10 a.m. So again, the Jolts report from the Labor Department is coming out at 10 a.m. Eastern, with expectations for a 4.9 million according to Econo Day estimates, and the prior number was 5.046 million. Before the U.S. Red Book will be released at 8:55 a.m. Eastern. The report, which measures the comparable store sales at chain stores, discounters, and department stores, showed a decline of 5.7% in the previous week. Yeah, to look on to a few other things here, we've got Google and Deutsche said they're entering into a multiple-year collaboration aimed at helping create cloud financial products. And so we could look at Alphabet, which is Google, which is Big Brother over here. Google, I'm sure, is going to end up popping off here. And we got Deutsche for DB, partnering with Google again for a multi-year cloud-based financial products partnership with Deutsche and Google. What else we got, guys? We got CERS, we got NAK, which is natural gas, I believe, if I remember correctly. We can also look at a few other things here, like let's look. Here's the SPY itself again, dropping. We got crude is down small. Oil, the U.S. oil fund is down 0.2% as well. Natural gas is up about 4%. So natural gas is up big, although crude is down. The U.S. natural gas fund is up over 4%. Gold is down 0.2%. Spider Gold Trust is down 0.5%. Silver is down 1.5%. iShares Silver Trust is down 1.2%. But yeah, I probably got to get out of UAVS here. I'm trying to be patient. I mean, Like I said, it's going to be a green trade no matter what, but ideally I'd like to see it kind of stay over the VWAP here. What's up, James? Good morning, bro. Hey, nothing much, James. I'm just dip buying UAVS. I'm in UAVS, guys, if you're just now joining us. Hey, what's up? CH. What's up, man? Alright, guys. UAVS is not looking that hot. Like I said, I'm probably going to get out here, and I don't mind jumping back in this. I'm going to let it test the VWAP around 160 and then get out if it breaks under 160 specifically here. It's going to be a small green trade no matter what, but maybe I should have gotten out a little bit higher. In the end, though, it's hard to say whether these are going to run or hold or what they're going to do. And so I'm happy with the trade for sure. Small little wins, base hits add up to home runs eventually, and we'll get there, team. But yeah, in top watches, I gotta pull this one up on the other list, but in the top watches for my stocks today, again, I'm looking at UAVS, I'm looking at ENDP, I'm looking at FTEK here, and ENDP has some really interesting levels, guys. Like I said, here's ENDP, $4 is a big level. I like that risk level if you get in on a dip, looking for it to run up here, but ENDP is one of my favorites here. We are getting a bounce off of the VWAP. Beijing reports 0 virus cases for the first time since the new outbreak. I mean, I don't know, guys. I tend to think those numbers might be a little bit, or those lack of numbers might be a little bit fabricated or misleading from Beijing. Like, I don't know. Like, it's all speculation, obviously. That's all you can really do here. But 0 cases in China, a place that has way more people than we do, just does not seem realistic. Maybe they're not testing, maybe they don't want to see any new cases, but the fact that they're saying 0 people have it, or 0 people popped up with having it, or 0 new cases, seems a little bit unrealistic in my opinion. Let me know what you think about that in the chat. Dude, I got a big head. It's because I'm smart. It's because I'm smart, Chase. Don't insult my head size. Here, fun fact, my son has got a huge head too, right? We bought, when my son was like 3 or 4, we went to the Disney store in the mall, and we bought my son a hat for kids his age. We bought him a hat for 4-year-olds, you know? And this little bitty hat sat on the top of my son's head and just kind of sat on top of it like this, you know? Didn't even fit him, you know? We had to buy him like a 12-year-old hat to find a hat that actually fit my son. And so when I tell my son that, I'm like, don't worry, Jack. You're just smart. You got a big brain, bro. You got a big brain, man. So you're smart, you know. Don't feel bad about having a big head. I got a big head too. It's because I'm smart, you know. A and VS, Vive. All right, we got something to take a look at. I got to watch UAVS, and like I said, this one breaks under 160. I'm out. Yeah, VIVE, guys, if you like penny stocks, VIVE is ripping here. Big moves. This thing's gapping up from 56, from 56.80 all the way to 80 cents. So a little bit over $0.50 all the way to 80 cents. Looks like it's up about 25 bucks, 24 bucks. So a huge move for VIVE, and I'll certainly watch this one at the bell too. So we gotta watch. I like VIVE. We can look up the catalyst if there is one for it. All right, so we are getting a nice bounce in UAVS, and so we are getting a nice bounce. Yeah, VIVE announced FDA approval to conduct the pursuit trial for improvement of stress urinary incontinence. I don't even know what that is, but FDA approval. So we'll see what happens with VIVE. It is up. Yeah, no, I'm just messing with you, Chase. I'm just messing with you, man. You're good, bro. I'm just messing with you, dude. But yeah. Let's do this. We got ENDP. UAVS is doing it. It's doing it, guys. It's back up there. Yes, sir. All right, let's get this ripped. UAVS. Yes, sir. I'm holding 25 shares left. I ended up buying 100 shares this morning of UAVS, but we are getting a spike here. All right, guys. We're up to 169 on UAVS. Like I said, I'm holding 25 shares left. I've already scaled out of most of the position, and I'm basically just holding a few shares to see if this is going to break highs, continue ripping up into the opening bell strength. Like, that's all I really want to see. I just want to see if this one holds its gains. I just want to see if this holds its gains and continues to rip. Specifically over 175 is a big level, and we're bouncing with it right now. But again, I am holding 25 shares left of this thing. And yeah, we're popping off today, so we're looking solid. We're looking good. We're just going to hold this one to see if it can break highs. Like I said, what was the other one somebody wanted me to look at? Hold on. A and VS, Mo? I got you, man. Yeah, A and VS is looking strong too. I could look up the catalyst for this one, but this one, a lot of people are talking about this one today. This is a Novus, and they won the approval for the phase 2. Oh, I did talk about this one. So yeah, a Novus, and they won the approval for the phase 2 trial of the ANVS 401 to treat Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. So interesting. Yeah, so phase 2, board approved it. They received board approval to start the phase 2 study to treat Alzheimer's and Parkinson's, and it's ripping up. It's a little bit too expensive for my taste unless it's tradable in TEFs, but we're gonna watch it regardless. Now we also have UAVS here, guys. UAVS making some moves this morning, popping off here, gapping up from 128 all the way to 167 where it's at now. I'm holding a few shares of this one. What else we got, team? Hey, we got over 300 people in here already, guys. Smash the subscribe button. Click the like button if you want to help support us. We do this live for free every day, guys. So just remember to subscribe. Like I said, you want to support free content. You want to help support us putting out more content. We've been dropping a lot of content. I'm going to be putting another video out this afternoon. If you want to support that free content that we drop every day, hit the subscribe button. Click the bell. You know, we're going to be trying to drop... I'm going to be putting out another scalping video about a really nice scalping strategy and maybe a breakout strategy too, but we're going to be dropping videos all this week, and so if you want to catch those, hit the subscribe button. And remember, guys, if you turn on notifications, if you click the bell next to the subscribe button, you'll get a notification every time we go live, which is again every weekday morning, and so that way you'll know every time we drop a new video, or you'll know every time we go live on stream, which is again every single weekday morning for free on YouTube. And so show support for what we do, guys. Smash the like button, hit the subscribe button. Yeah, Kirk, NVAX is popping off here. Hey, I appreciate the sub, Duvall. Thank you, man. Y'all be like them. Hit that subscribe button, guys. Click the bell. Show support. UAVS, I don't know what I'm going to do with this. I'm trying to hold it towards the open and be patient, but it just keeps moving and acting crazy. Putting in higher lows. Okay, I can feel that. Well. What's up, Vincent? Hey, I appreciate the sub, Josh. Thank you, man. Shout out to Josh. Appreciate the love, bro. WKHS, yeah, let's take a look. I gotta watch UAVS, but WKHS, Workhorse had a big red day yesterday, if I remember correctly. Yeah, and so big red day in pre-market too. Look at that previous closing price. Like, look at how much this stock respects that previous closing price. Like, look at that. I'm trading in Thinkorswim. I'm probably about to have to get out of UVAS though. UAVS is dropping here. I'm probably gonna get out for a very small win because we are getting a big drop here. Probably gonna exit. Yeah, I gotta get out there. So $10 win, very small here for UAVS, but I'll take that. Hey, I appreciate the sub, Sean. Thank you, brother. Appreciate that. But yeah, like I said, y'all want to help support us. Y'all want to help support me dropping that content like that. If we get enough subscribers, it'll motivate me to continue to put out free content, right? And so hit the sub button, click the bell. What's up, JP? What's up, Sean? What's up, AB? NAOV, I got you. Yeah, NAOV, I mean, I don't really like the volume in this one, honestly. So yeah, I'm out of UAVS. I don't mind attacking that one again later, but I'm out of that one for now. Hey, appreciate it, Citizen. Thank you, man. WKHS is cheap, although this is what you have to understand about WKHS. And like I said, I'll probably look for a bounce this morning on this one. The problem though with this is that if you look at the daily chart, I think it's got some room down to like, I don't know, maybe down to like 1550, which is about 5 cents away. And so by that logic, we do have some room. I'm going to clear this out now. So looking at the longer term chart team, what do we see here? We see 1540s, we see 1550s, and then we see 1350. All right, 1350 I think is kind of the line in the sand, but I could see this one bounce at a lot of these levels. I think $16 was a big level here as well. I think this is a big level right here too, right around 16. And yeah, it's tough to tell. I think that might hold it as resistance too. But yeah, I'm certainly gonna watch it. I'll probably end up trading WKHS again today as well. Yeah, Sean, you can trade in pre-market and TD. I mean, I'm using Thinkorswim right now, which is TD, and I just traded UAVS and made money with it. A few other gappers today is VSLR. We got VSLR ripping up from 1060s to 1313. We got HEPA gapping up here, but yeah, look at VSLR. This one's interesting too. Not as much volume. I think the $13 whole dollar is interesting here. Like this $13 level is nice. Yeah, I'm looking at VIBE too. I think the $quarter here at 75 is a big level. I think people don't understand, like especially the cheaper the stock, the more respected those levels are usually, right? So because it's a much more influential level the cheaper the stock is, right? So when you have a stock that's like 75, 80 cents, the $quarter of 75 is going to play a major part in that, I think, and be a big support and resistance level. You know, you also have like the half dollar at 50 cents. You've got the whole dollar at 1, which is probably the biggest, most influential level is the whole dollar at 1. But yeah, I'm watching 75 for VIBE. I'm not necessarily opposed to trading it, but I'm not going to trade it in pre-market. I would rather wait for momentum at the open and just try to scalp some momentum plays at the bell, if that makes sense. No, so if you're trying to trade in pre-market, you got to go to this, okay? You want to click configure right here, if you can see that. Yeah, look, this is what you want to do. If you want to trade in pre-market, you click this configure button, the little sprocket, and then you go to TIF, which is time and force, and you bring that over, and then it'll be like down here, right? And so you want to click on it and then move it up. That way you see TIF, and then when you go to it, you want to select extended hours right here, extended hours. That way when you buy, it'll be an extended hours order, and you'll be able to buy it in pre-market. That's how you do it. Yeah, you can also put like the auto send button, you know, however you're trying to enter, whether it be the ask or the bid, all that good stuff. But yeah, I'm also watching FTEK. We'll see here. I was thinking about dip buying this one at 110, but I just hesitated, and it's a little bit too late now. We're going to see if we get some good moves at the open, though. It should be fun. But yeah, we're going to certainly watch this one at the bell. Hey, I appreciate that, Joe. Thank you, bro. Oh, also guys, remember the deal. I get 50,000 subscribers in less than 2.5 months. I'm gonna buy some Tesla shorts and wear them on stream. You know, that might really discourage people from subscribing. But hey, if I hit 50K in 2 months, I'm buying them. Doesn't matter how much they cost, I'm buying them. As I'm talking this and saying this though, we got UAVS popping off here. It's at 163s. Like I said, we're getting ready to day trade at the opening bell. We're going to see what we get. I'm watching HEPA. The top stocks that I'm watching today are UAVS. I might trade NVAX too. I might. But UAVS faked me out basically. It's okay though. We're still going to watch it. HEPA gapping up here. ENDP, because I really like this $4 level. It's confirmed the whole dollar of 4 a bunch of times. I'm watching that one. And what was the other one? James dropping SHIP on me. Yeah, SHIP's trying. It's bouncing right at that previous closing price. Hey, thank you, Joe. I appreciate that. Haha, Sid. Hey, look. Everybody will be able to make fun of me. I don't know, guys. What would you like me to do? FTK, yeah, I'm watching FTK, I'm watching SHIP, I'm watching HEPA. Like I said, if you're just now joining us, the SPY itself is down pretty big here. Florida and Arizona had new cases that surged up, so that's down big. What else we got though today, guys? We got like MYOS here. Yeah, no worries, Sean, I got you, man. We got ROL. Hey, what's up, 2A? VXRT, yeah, VXRT is ripping up. My bad, I forgot to mention that. VXRT, guys. VXRT is ripping up. We're at 780s. And this one looks interesting. I know this one was a former runner in the last few days. I know they filed 13D on the 30th of June. Kramer talked about them on July 1st. Alright, we'll see what happens there with that one. What's up, Jay? What's up, Sid? What's up, two-way Sean? Boy, good morning, guys. But yeah, let's do this, guys. What else we got? We got a few other ones here, you know. UAVS might be popping off some more. I've already made a little bit of money on this one today. Nothing too crazy. But, nothing too crazy. But, yeah, we'll see. We also have stuff like DFFN, which is, it looks like a, I don't know if it's a bigger float or what. I don't know if it's a bigger float or what, but we'll see. Let me see. Alright guys, I'm gonna go plug my channel real quick on Facebook, Twitter, and all that good stuff. Let's do this, guys. Alright, team. What else do you guys watch? What do you want me to take a look at today? What would you like me to trade today, guys? We also have OTIC here. I'm watching OTIC too. We got LVGO, which I believe had good guidance that came out today. We got VIVE, which again is managing around that 75-cent level. So we're watching that. Alright team, let's do this. Sorry, let me post all these. Sell out really quick if you will, you know. Alright guys, so yeah, watching OFIN, or not that, I'm watching VIVE, I'm watching NVAX if you like more expensive stocks, it's popping off here. What else we got? I don't know how to do that, Chase. I think that's automatic, brother. I think it's automatic, but I'm not sure. I have no idea, to be honest. How early should you be up if you want to trade pre-market? Man, it's tough, dude. I don't know. I would say, like, if you really want to get, like, the early moves in pre-market, I would say, like, 4 or 5 a.m. I would say, like, 4 or 5 a.m. Hey, I appreciate the sub. HY, thank you, brother. Citizen, Sean, appreciate the love, guys. Remember to hit the remember to hit that subscribe button, team. I'm watching UABS. I'm gonna watch it in fear and anger. Oh, so these are my main watches today, guys. If you want to see what I'm really watching specifically today, that I'll probably at least trade once today. I'm guessing I might trade UABS again. It just depends on how it acts at the open. I'm looking at FTEK as the other penny stock I'm watching. I might trade HEPA, depends on what it looks like at the bell. I'm also going to be looking at NIO, because NIO is volatile. Even though it's down a little bit, it's still volatile, and it's right around that previous closing price, and so I can thus kind of attack that and see if I can nail that previous closing price scalp. I'm also looking at in higher stocks. I'm looking at WKHS. I'll probably trade this one at least once today too. And then I'm looking at, what else am I looking at? Workhorse, NIO, Tesla. A lot of people talking about Tesla, but man, this thing is just going crazy. And like I said, guys, I get 50K subscribers in the next 2 months. I'll buy those Tesla shorts. It doesn't matter how much they are. I'll buy those Tesla shorts. And yeah, and I'll wear them on stream. I can either wear them on stream or I can give them away. You know, I know they were sold out fast and they're going to be like a coveted item, and so maybe I can give them away. But yeah, looking at VXRT as well here. Gonna be watching my typical like AMD, MU stuff as well. We got ENDP that, like I said, has really been respecting that whole $4. And look at that level. I talked about this $4 level a bunch, and look at that. Look at the $4 level. So it's really respecting that too. Let's see what other sectors are moving in the market today. And I'll go over some overall market news right now again. We do have some interesting movement here. Alright, so Atlanta Fed President Bostic said the Fed's lending facilities have eased the strain on the market. Secretary Mnuchin says 5 more airlines have signed letter of intent on a coronavirus-related loan, and said the loan terms for those airlines will come 72 hours after closing the deal. We have the U.S. Red Book reported U.S. retail sales during June are down 0.6% month over month and down 7.3% year over year. And again, the crazy news today, guys, for the market is that China is saying that they're reporting no new cases. No new cases, which, I mean, listen, I'm not saying China's lying, but China's almost certainly lying. The reality is they have a way larger population, a much larger population than we do here. They have way more people. And so the fact that they're trying to claim that they don't have any new cases seems very suspect in my opinion, but it's all speculation. I can't say for sure. But again, they're trying to say that they don't have any new cases. I think that's pretty suspect. I think it sounds like to me like somebody's lying there. And it sounds like somebody was a little bit too greedy with their lie. You know, if they could have said, oh, we only had 1 or 2 new cases, but they tried to go all the way to 0. We had 0 new cases. In the end, they're not going to tell you much. You know, a communist country is not going to say much about it because they're going to do whatever they can to try to make themselves look better than capitalists, right? Like, that's the reality. Like, they're going to say or do whatever they can to make themselves look better than capitalism. And so with that, they're going to hide and be very misleading about a lot of different things. I think, and I think there's stuff that China does right, and there's also things that China does wrong in this light. And so I'm not just acting like we're just so much better than China. I do think there's certain things that they do better than us, obviously. But I think in this way, they're taking it a step too far, and it's just a little bit too unbelievable to pretend that they don't have any new cases. Yeah, I ain't saying they're lying, but they're certainly lying. You know, that's all I'm saying. TOPS, how's you? Yeah, for sure. Hey, what's up, Super? Yeah, hey, I appreciate that, man. Yes, sir. Plug? Yeah, we can look at Plug. Yeah, Plug's down again. I mean, listen, they supply batteries for these electric vehicles. Like, what was the other one from yesterday? Electric vehicle company. I mean, NIO is one. It's a Chinese electric vehicle company. But then we got Tesla. That's just the dragon going crazy here. Just ripping up. Never looking back. Just making these huge runs. Alright, so Aide said that the White House wants a stimulus finished by August recess. And that was reported by Bloomberg. We'll see. Yeah, US are certainly going parabolic. Yeah, no testing equals no cases. Yeah, for sure. And I think that's probably reality, is it? Yeah, for sure. No, I mean, listen, it's not about China's president. I mean, like I said, I have been equally critical of Trump, too. You know, it's not like I love Trump or anything. You know what I mean? But what I am saying, though, is that they took it a step too far. Like, listen. They can claim that they only had a few new cases spring up, but a country that has billions in the population trying to claim that they don't have any new cases is extremely obviously not correct. You know, like I said, I'm not against China here, but like I said, I think they tried a little bit too hard there, is what I think. CRBS thoughts? Here, let me. A lot of people mentioning CRBS here. So yeah, CRBS is Corvus Pharmaceuticals Incorporated, and they are gapping up from $2.74 all the way to $8.93, all the way back down to $5. So yeah, CRBS. This is a parabolic mover so far here. I don't see any new releases for this one today. I don't see any new releases in this one in the last year or so, last 8 months, 9 months. So, yeah, CRBS is interesting. I'm going to bring up this one, even though I'm kind of bummed out. What's up, Anthony? What's up, man? I'm going to bring up UAVS, even though I missed out on it, because it is doing a triangle flag, or it's doing a flag-like pattern. Like, look at this. If I delete all these levels here, yeah, there's the breakout. Man, I should have held a little bit. If you don't win, you learn. But I still won, but still. Look at this triangle breakout pattern. Man, I missed it, but there's the run. We're going to get some volatility for this one at the open, but UAVS just ripped up and broke that previous high of the day at around 175. Hey, yes, sir, Anthony. Hey, I appreciate that. All right, guys, we got only a few minutes until the open. Let's do this. The bell is coming soon, team. The bell is coming soon. Let's do this. Let's make some money. Good luck, guys. I appreciate the support today. Yeah, UAVS. Like I said, I made a little bit of money with this one today. Although I ended up selling out when it dropped down to like 162, 163. I still made some money with it. I bought it at 155 and I sold it up there at the highs. Made a few bucks on it. Nothing too crazy. Like I said, this looks like a triangle flag pattern breakout. We'll see though. What's the other one? UMRX. UMRX. Okay, I got you. Alright, yeah, UMRX is being very volatile too. Big moves yesterday for UMRX. UMRX. Price target was raised to an outperform to $4 for UMRX by Wedbush. So yeah, this was upgraded. Sale of preferred stock. They launched private placement of preferred stock for 104.4 million gross proceeds. Acquisition of KIQ. And so yeah, they had some big news that came out yesterday for UMRK. Yeah, it's going absolutely ridiculous right now. How can I buy in pre-market in Thinkorswim? You add this TIF window. You go down here and you add TIF, and then you move it up to here, and then you change it to extended. That's how you buy in pre-market. All right, guys, let's do this. The bell is coming. The bell is coming. All right, guys. Like I said, we got a lot of different stocks we're watching today. ENDP, we're watching UMRX, we're going to be watching UAVS, VSLR, OTIC, FTEK. We're going to be watching ENDP as well. ENDP holding that $4 level. MYOS is not terrible here. It's moving a little bit, so we might watch MYOS too. Peloton, what's Peloton doing? Hey, I appreciate the sub. The Trappers, welcome, man. Y'all remember to hit that subscribe button. Click the bell. We do this every day for free on YouTube. So hit that subscribe button, guys. Click the bell. I'm going to get ready to day trade. Yeah, I'm going to start getting ready to day trade. Let me try to fix this filter here. I don't know if I can, but I will. Maybe I can raise my green screen. Hold on one second. That should be much better. But yeah, PTON bouncing up here, ripping up. It's at 61 cents for Peloton. Peloton's making some moves here today, guys. Let's do this, guys. We got a minute until the open. We got 1 minute until the opening bell. Let's make some money today, guys. Good luck. Let's trade. Have fun. And yeah, let's do this. All right, guys. I'm going to get everything ready here for the open. I'm going to pull the momentum scanners up so we can see what's moving. Man, my mouse is freezing up here. Alright, there we go. My mouse was acting crazy. I'm going to delete some of these so it's not all frozen. Alright, guys. Here's the opening bell. Alright, I'm frozen here. I don't know if my mouse is dying or like what's going on with this thing, man. Alright, there's the bell, guys. Let's do this. I'm gonna get my trade ideas scanners up. Man. Aggravating. Alright, guys, we got UAVS ripping up here. It's still battling 175 at the open. There we go. Alright, UAVS is up. Man, what is up with my mouse today? I don't know if I just got too much stuff up. I'm gonna have to delete one of these Discords. It's just too much, I think. Let's close that window. There we go. Alright, I'm trying to catch some red to green moves at the open this morning. We got UAVS dropping, OTIC, we got ENDP dropping, so we might get some red to greens, UAVS as well. UAVS and ANVS popping up on the scanners this morning. Sorry, guys. Alright, guys, let's do this. We got UAVS making some moves up. I'm looking at UAVS right now, guys. Dude, what is wrong with my mouse this morning, man? I don't know if it's my computer or my mouse, but it's just acting dumb. Alright, here's UAVS. I'm trying to watch it for a breakout. Alright, I'm looking at UAVS, big pullback. We're going to look to see if it breaks over 175. VSLR, look at HEPA is dropping. I'm looking at ENDP here as well. On the scanners, we got CRVS making some moves. CRVS popping off big, guys. Big red to green move for CVS. Huge run here. CVS is starting to make some big moves. CRVS is over 550, guys. Look at CRVS here. CRVS is making huge moves. I missed it. But look at this move for CRVS. It's starting to go parabolic. Huge moves. Big break of the high. It's over 550 now. Making some huge momentum moves here for UAVS. Crazy moves. CRVS making huge moves. What else we got, team? The SPY is ripping up here. The SPY is ripping up. VSLR ripping up as well. What's VXRT doing here too? VXRT ripping up. Here's CVRS pulling back some. CRVS pulling back some. Do I want to buy some of this here? Might get in with like 50 shares. This one's kind of crazy. Oh no, I ain't buying this one now. That's too big of a pullback. CRVS making a huge drop this morning at the opening bell, guys. A huge drop. Alright, it's a big drop from CRVS here, guys. I'm looking at ENDP. I'm looking at ENDP and UAVS. But CRVS is making a huge drop. I'm looking at ENDP to break 420s here. See if we can. The SPY is absolutely ripping up here. We're going to look at my other platform here too. I don't know if my mouse is dying or like what the problem with my mouse is today. I might have to switch. Alright, so... Alright, UMRX, guys. UMRX. UMRX popping up. UMRX making a huge move, guys. A huge rip. A beautiful red to green movement. I gotta catch these faster. My mouse is being funny today. I don't know what it is, but UMRX, huge rip. I'm gonna wait for a pullback on this one, I think. CRVS is about to break lows. HEPA is starting to move up here. And I'm still looking at ENDP and UAVS. ENDP and UVAS. VSLR is making some moves here. VSLR. I'm looking at HEPA starting to make some moves. Look at UMRX here though, guys. I don't necessarily hate trading this one either. We need a pullback to like this level right here. We pull back to 275. I might take this one. But we need the pullback because we're just too extended right now. VSLR is pulling back. Still looking at UAVS here. VXRT is making some rips. We got AEZS, guys. AEZS. Making a huge rip here. Man, the red to green move is super profitable, man. This thing presents itself a bunch. Hey, come on. I'm looking at HEPA, guys. I'm probably going to buy HEPA if it breaks 335s. And then what was the other one I was watching? What is it? EOLS. EOLS popping up on the scanners, guys. EOLS. Dude, what is wrong with my mouse today, man? I don't know if this thing takes batteries. If it does, I'm going to have to buy a new one. EOLS, UMRX. I got the dip in that one too. I'm going to have to buy new batteries for this. HEPA is another one I'm watching. We're going to see if we get some moves of CTIC. UMRX breaking highs here, guys. See if I can get in with 100 shares of this one. Come on, man. My mouse. Now it's about that time I need hotkeys. Trying to catch these moves. ENDP just absolutely tanked here. I'm getting ready to buy UAVS over 175. UMRX making some moves here too. I might buy UMRX too. If I do, I'm going to pull that screen up here as well. Yeah, I probably should. I also see my green screen's not really acting right. Yeah, I think my mouse is just dying, honestly, is what I think it is. Yeah, guys, I'll be right back. I gotta go get a mouse or batteries. Hold on. Yeah, I'll be right back, guys. Give me like 5 minutes. Whew, man, I'm back. I like literally ran. Let's see if this works. Oh man, come on. Alright, it works. Good. Alright, I got a new mouse. Hopefully I didn't miss anything too. It's still doing it, so it's not my mouse. Apparently. This is just my computer today, I guess. Let me exit out on some of these maybe windows. Alright, I exit out on some of my windows on the computer. Maybe that'll help. Did I miss anything? I don't think I did. I'm looking at UVAS. It didn't do much. Looking at VXRT. I'm looking at UMRX. If it breaks 324s, I'm going to pile into this thing. But I don't hate this one right now. This still looks strong. I just missed all the red to green moves I wanted. Nah, I ain't restarting. Yeah, I'm alright now. We got it straight. It looks to be working. I'm looking at AEZS. AEZS. Alright, I just dip bought AEZS here, guys. I'm still looking at UMRX. I just dip bought AEZS here. I'm in with 300 shares. We're looking for a rip up here. I want to see it hold at this support level and continue. We're going to see what else we could find, but I'm trying to dip buy this thing, see if we get some money real quick. I just want to see this one continue to break up here. I'm trying to be patient with it, but if we break down too much, I got to just bail out of this thing quick. 300 shares here, though. Nothing crazy. But yeah, I'm in with 300 shares of AEZS. Like I said, I'm looking to see if it bounces at 54. My entry is about 55.5 cents. Alright, but yeah, CRVS is the one popping up on my list. CRVS. Ooh, CRVS put a beautiful red to green move just now. I don't trust it though. CRVS has been a little shady so far this morning. Alright, but I'm in 300 shares of AEZS here. What does FTEK end up doing? Did I miss that? Ooh, man, we got a lot of dip buys today. Man, this mouse is screwing me over. VSLR's beautiful dip buy there. Look at VSLR, guys. VSLR is making some big moves. UMRX too. UMRX breaking highs finally. I wanted this one too, man. I might... You know, there's the break on UMRX. Beautiful little mini flag breakout type of thing there. FTEK is bouncing at the VWAP too. What was the other one? Look at AYRO, man. Everything's running and I'm just missing it today. Frustrating for sure. NAOB, don't look bad. We're gonna need some pullbacks now if I'm gonna take any of these moves, although I don't really trust any of them now. VSLR, guys, is breaking highs. VSLR. Yeah, UMRX is looking solid. We're gonna look at a few other ones now, like Workhorse. I missed out on a bunch of chances. AYRO. Yeah, ARYO is pulling back to $6, which makes me like it here. I'm gonna move on from this one and just hold and just watch it, but alright, I'm in with 100 shares of ARYO. It dipped down to the whole dollar of 6, and I'm just gonna see if it can rip up and break like 650s again very quickly. I'll take profit. Alright, I sold half of this one just to protect the trade. We're still holding a little bit of AYRO. There's 630s. Come on, let's get the break here. So I'm holding 100 or 50 shares left. We just want to see the break of 640 and up to 650. There's 632s. Nice. We're going to sell a little bit here in case it rejects at that high of the day level. Now we're only holding 25 shares. We're really protected here. We want to see 650 break. There's 640s. Nice. Nice. 640s. We're letting it run. 650s. Nice. I'm going to sell right there. Alright, so I made $22 on that trade. Not a bad little trade. I actually called it. Shout out to my man, Justine. Or shout out to Justine, sorry. For that call out. I appreciate that. I would have missed that if you didn't say anything. So I appreciate the call out. I don't want to get halted again. I'm still holding AEZS here. I'm probably going to get out pretty soon. I'm trying to let it test. Yeah, I'm out. So, wait, what? Am I holding 25 shares left? Why? Oh, no. Oops. Alright, so I got out 750 loss. That's fine. I'm still up big on the day. We still got a lot of equity, too, here. What else we got, team? What else is moving today? So I made a quick little buck on that one. What else we got moving? We got EOLS is moving, guys. EOLS right now. Making some nice moves here. EOLS. What else we got, team? Yeah, so far on the day, I'm up about 30 bucks. I'm up about $30 on the day. Yeah, and this is where Trade Idea Scanners really comes into handy too, because like they'll tell me like the biggest movers in the market. We got CRVS. Is that still popping off? Is that halted or something? No, so this one's actually pulling back to a major support level at 550. What else we got, team? So we actually pulled back to a major support level at 550 here. I don't like this now at 530, but we're still watching it. What else we got? VSLR is just making huge moves. VSLR. FUV. CRVS is just not what I would like. MARK. Mark. MARK popping off, breaking highs here. MARK popping off, breaking highs. MARK, guys. Over $2. Breaking highs of the day. SPY is just absolutely going crazy here. Might catch a red to green move on NIO over 1150 on NIO. I might scalp a red to green move if we can. But look, there's MARK popping off here. Alright guys, so I'm getting close to buying NIO here. Over this $0.50 red to green move at 1150. I'm in with 400 shares of NIO here. 400 shares. Just so you guys can see it now. $400 shares of NIO. I don't like that move. Still holding 400 shares, but down 24 bucks. Look at that failure, man. Look at that big rejection. I like the red to green move, but NIO is just, this is the shady rejection, certainly. Maybe it'll run up there, but I'm not liking this one at all. Alright, so we're back up there after a very shady rejection. I don't know what I'm going to do with NIO. I'm holding 400 shares here. What else we got in penny stock land? AYRO doesn't look like a bad VWAP bounce. ARYO. There's 48, 49s for NIO. There's 51s. Alright, so we're getting rejected at that $0.50 again. That's going to be a tough break. It's also the previous closing price. I jumped in when it broke the previous closing price, and then it just kind of quickly failed. But if we get over that previous closing price, it could be a very strong level. In a second, I might switch back to trading on Thinkorswim with ARYO if I can dip by that one. Down $24 right now. But I don't like how NIO is kind of battling and struggling. I like the momentum move, and it looks strong pushing all the way up here, but it's just fighting too much now. I'll give it one more second, see if we can break back over 1150. Yeah, I'm going to get out of this one, and then I'm going to try to take ARYO on the VWAP bounce here. It's just I might miss it though. Alright, so I got in at 619 for ARYO. We're seeing if we can dip by bounce. Risk is $6. $6 risk. Here we go. Or maybe not a $6 risk. I'm going to use like 605 as a risk. We're going to let it consolidate here. It might need to consolidate before it bounces up again. We'll see, but it might need to consolidate before it rips up. We're going to try to be patient with it and let it consolidate here. There's 17s. 18s. Alright, we're trying to bounce up here. We're at 17s, 18s. Holding 50 shares, but this thing's got a big range. Yeah, TR Troa, you want to click the live button. You probably don't have the live button clicked. Go look by your play button, and there's a live button. You're probably a little bit behind in the chat. So just click the live button. It'll bring you back to present. Alright, so we're waiting here. We're going to let this battle, but I'm going to get out if it breaks under like 605. I'm trying to be patient here and let it consolidate like it needs to. We break out of this range at the bottom here. I gotta just exit this one. SPY's pulling back some. Alright, so we're still in the range. WKHS is just getting hammered. We're still in the range here for AYRO. Yeah, there's no 20-minute delay. You're just behind. Alright, so we're probably going to get stopped out here, I'm guessing. There you go. This is right around my risk. $6. Alright, I just got stopped out. Frustrating trade. Everybody getting squeezed out there too. But that's alright. We'll have other opportunities here. But yeah, for everybody asking about the delay, there's like a tiny delay of like 30 seconds. And anybody that streams Trade Idea scanners has to have a delay. So it's not like it's like a huge delay. If your delay is 20 minutes, then that's on your end. Most of the time when that happens, you're just behind on the stream. And so just click the live button next to your play button and it'll catch you back up. But yeah, it's certainly not that long of a delay. And if it is, it's on your end, to be honest. And if you want to catch up, just click the live button. Yeah, I'm looking at Workhorse. We're going to see. But yeah, anybody that streams Trade Ideas has to have a delay. And if somebody's streaming Trade Ideas without a delay, they're breaking the rules and they're probably going to get their channel terminated. So yeah, that's the reality of it. But yeah, anybody that streams Trade Ideas has to have a delay. Yeah, Workhorse just getting hammered here. We break under lows. I might scalp Workhorse on the short side. I might short Workhorse on the downside here. Waiting for it. Waiting for the break here. I'm maybe going to get out of Workhorse here. Workhorse is down so much already, though. That's the problem. But we need to lower the day break before we jump into this one. VIVE. Yeah, VIVE's got to break those highs up there at like 78 for me to get interested in it. We got to break those highs up there at like 78. I'm waiting and trying to be patient with some of these, but nothing too crazy yet. What is NVAX doing? Now NVAX breaks lows here. I might attack that thing. That thing's just got a huge range. I'm kind of scared of it. Yeah, I like trade ideas. Yeah, what I'm learning about myself though in penny stocks is that with penny stocks, I need to just make it one and done and just finish the day when I'm up. If I keep attacking penny stocks, I usually end up giving it back, and a lot of the time, I mean, I'm still green on the day. Let me see. Yeah, I'm up like 15, 20 bucks on the day, which is fine. But it would have been a much better day if I could have just taken my wins and finished it. Well, we're still trading like Workhorse and NIO, so we're still trading some penny stocks. But yeah, that's the frustrating aspect of it. I'm gonna get into 100 shares here at Workhorse, seeing if we can reject before $15 here. I'm in with 100 shares. What's up, two-way? Workhorse has a bunch of volume. It's getting like 400 to 500,000 shares traded per minute. I mean, it's weak and going down, but I mean, I'm shorting this thing, and Workhorse has got a bunch of volume. I'm not trying to marry it. I'm just trying to short it on the quick side. But yeah, Workhorse has like average volume of probably like what, 400,000 shares traded a minute, and so it certainly has volume right now. I just took half off of this, holding 50 shares here. We're just gonna see if we get the breakdown. Just trying to get my feet wet, get started my trading a little bit. You know, get ready. Catching a few little shorts on the way down. You know. Kenny, Mitch left the channel, brother. Mitch is trying to get an analyst job. And so, like, he owned 25% of the channel, and yeah, I mean, I just don't think he was making enough to really live off of. I founded the channel a few years ago and brought Mitch on a year ago, but he only owned 25%, and I just don't know if that was enough to, you know, keep him happy. So he's gonna go do his own thing. I love the dude like a brother. He's like a brother to me, and we're still friends. We talk every day still. So, but yeah, he'll still be on and do guest appearances sometimes. But yeah, that's the deal. There's 65, 66. There we go, 60s. We're gonna look to see if we get a lower the day break. I'm gonna kind of peep out some other stuff while I'm doing so. NIO is kind of consolidating around the VWAP, and we'll see what we get with that. Yeah, for sure, Brandon. Yeah, 100% two-way. Yes, sir. There's 60, 59s. I'm gonna just get out here. I don't mind scalping this again under 1450. NIO is a scalp here. Yeah, let me see if I can catch it. I'm gonna get in with 1,000 shares of NIO right here. Alright, so I'm in with 1,000 shares of NIO. On the short side, scalping 1,000 shares of NIO on the short side here. Maybe I should have waited for this 25 break, but NIO is a slow mover, so 1,000 shares might seem like a crazy position. It's really not. It's just a small position. I'm still looking at Workhorse here. I'm trying to manage this one okay. Man, I gotta put my two windows up because I'm missing Workhorse's low of the day break that I wanted originally. Boom. Gonna take half off here. I can't even see, but I see that I'm in the green. Yeah, I'm gonna get out the rest there. All right, so I'm up $86 on the day. I missed my Workhorse short that I wanted, unfortunately. Man, I got too much stuff going on, guys. I got too much stuff going on right now. But at least I made some on my NIO trade. This is a strategy I talk about a lot, which is when you get this breakdown right here. When you get a low that forms underneath the VWAP and we finally break that, this big breakdown happens very, very often. So again, you see this breakdown here. This breakdown happens very often when you get those low breaks underneath the VWAP. So like once you find like a really confirmed low and then it breaks, you could short into that every time and you know, usually come out ahead. Workhorse, we're getting a slight little bounce here. I might jump in with 50 shares on this little baby bounce, risking off at a $0.50 or so or something like that. So I'm in with 50 shares of Workhorse. Just gonna look to see if 1450 will get rejected here and keep it a scalp. Down to like 14s or so, just a little position. Pre-market sometimes. Like I started in pre-market today. I'm just going to get out there. $10 loss for Workhorse. Just bounced up a little bit too high. We're going to move on and see what else we can find. What is UMRX doing? Can you guys see my trades? No, you can't. My bad, guys. You can't see my trades. Sorry, team. Look, those are my trades. I'm sorry. I've been trading NIO, WKHS. These are my trades. Nobody can see them. Sorry, guys. But yeah, I'm up $76 on the day. Sorry, team. Still looking at Workhorse. Looking at UMRX now. See if we get this bounce play right here on UMRX. Is what I'm looking for with like 50 shares. I'm going to jump in. Alright, I'm in with 50 shares of UMRX. Looking for it to hold at this VWAP level here. Just a very small position, and we're going to look for it to pop up to this 340 level. But I'm in with 50 shares. Maybe not the best. Looks like it's immediately dropping down here. Man, my computer sounds like a rocket, man. Weird. Still looking at WKHS here. Alright, I'm in WKHS with 200 shares. Alright, so I'm going to try to manage both of these at once. Again, I am in UMRX with 50 shares, and I'm in WKHS with a few hundred. WKHS, I'm looking for it to continue breaking down under 1440s. And then if it does that, 1425 or so is my profit target here. We're at 35s now for WKHS. Gonna let it work. Maybe add a little bit into 1450 to see if we get a rejection. Maybe I hesitated a little bit too much on this WKHS trade. I just hesitated too much. Ended up giving up back a bunch of my profit. Well, at least we're up in UMRX, but we'll come back to it. I'm not done with WKHS quite yet. Alright, so UMRX, I'm up a little bit. I'm gonna get ready to short into NIO with another 1,000 shares here on the downside. Yeah, I'll probably have to do that today, Sid. I'm gonna do that today. Alright, so at least we're up some in this UMRX trade. Alright, I'm back in Workhorse here. I'm also looking to short. Alright, so I am in. That's 100 shares, not 1,000 shares. Alright, so I'm trying here. Alright, I am back into. I'm in with. Oh my gosh, I'm in with 2,000 shares of NIO. No, that's not what I wanted. That's not what I wanted. That's not what I wanted. Well. All I can really do is laugh and try to manage this 2,000 share position in WKHS. 2,000 shares now, guys. Not what I wanted at all. At least we're break even. 99s. Okay. Come on. Alright, well. Alright, I'm going to take most of that off. That's just not what I wanted. I got lucky, though. I'm still holding 50 shares. In with 200 shares of WKHS still. Luckily going to take a little bit more off there. I'm holding 200 shares left. And, man, I did not want that many shares, team. Still holding Workhorse. Still holding Workhorse. Not really doing what I want, so I'm going to give it one more second. See if we rejected that $0.50. Nice. Okay. Take a little bit more off the top here in NIO. Holding 100 shares left. Workhorse is starting to go my direction now. NIO is breaking down beautifully for me here. I'm going to get out the rest there on NIO. I'm out of the full position. I made $187 on that one. Still holding a little bit of Workhorse here. Trying to scale out of this one. Alright, I just scaled out a little bit more on Workhorse. And now I'm fully protected and I can kind of just let the rest work here. There's 18s. Yeah, I'm going to get out the rest there. So luckily that 200 share position ended up working out for me. Or that 2,000 share position ended up working out on me. Oh, man. But yeah, I'm out of all the positions. I'm going to cool off a little bit now, guys. I caught the low of the daybreak. Well, I'm not out of UMRX. I'm still holding 50 shares of UMRX here. But yeah, I was able to manage my way out of that one. I was able to manage my way out of those. But yeah, kind of a stressful few trades there. Whew, man. But yeah, made a few $100 on NIO. Made a little bit on Workhorse. NIO was the real winner there, though. I was trying to buy 1,000 shares, and I thought I only bought 100, and so I bought another 1,000. And apparently, I bought 2,000 shares total, which was a complete accident. Not the craziest trade I've ever taken, and NIO has a smaller range than usual. What is this? I don't want this. There we go. All right, so I'm still holding UMRX. Yeah, for sure. Hey, I'm happy with it. You know, I ended up making some money on it, but could have been bad there for sure. Probably gonna get out of UMRX here too soon. I don't mind this. This is a good pattern. It's what I call a VWAP rebound bounce setup. It's when a stock rebounds back above the VWAP and then holds that level of support and consequently bounce after it. But yeah, we'll see. Looking at WKHS, don't mind shorting a few hundred shares here if we break lows of the day. Hey, thanks, Skinny. A few years, Emiliano. NVAX is breaking lows here, team. NVAX is breaking lows. Nah, my mouse isn't. That wasn't my mouse. That was just me. That was me. Me rushing through things is really what happened. Hey, no stress, James. Hey, see you, brother. I'm looking at OTIC, which is autonomy. They are about to break highs. If they break highs, I'm going to buy them. And penny stocks. So OTIC, it's a penny stock. If they break highs, I'm buying them. Is my scanner down? Oh, my bad, guys. Here, let me bring my scanners back up. There's my scanners. EOLS is popping off on these scanners. EOLS, breaking highs, looking strong. Yeah, I mean, I've been watching NIO for years. NIO was up to 20, dropped down to like 5. Now it's back up to 11. And so, I mean, I don't know whether I'm bullish or bearish on it, to be honest. I know it's a Chinese electric vehicle company. Yeah, BK. So the bid is the cheapest price you're gonna buy it for, really, at that point in time. Ooh, I gotta get out of this. Yeah, I'm out. Get out. There you go. All right, 875 loss, very small. Still green on the day in penny stocks, but not loving life, that's for sure. I'm looking at NIO now. NIO. But yeah, the bid is like the cheapest price. So there's two sides, right? There's the bid, which is the cheaper one, and then there's the ask, which is the more expensive, right? Basically, the bid is the cheapest price stocks are getting filled out at that point in time. The ask is the, basically the upper end of the price stocks are getting filled out at the time. And so you get in on the bidding price. If you get on the bid, it's going to be the cheapest price, although it's going to be harder to get you filled. If you get on the ask, it's going to be the highest price, but you're going to get filled basically immediately. And if you get in with a limit order, those are both limit orders. Like getting in on the bid or the ask they're both limit orders. A market order just is going to fill you at the best possible price. A market order is going to fill you at the best possible price immediately. Like a market order is supposed to fill you immediately at the best possible price, right? A limit order is supposed to get you filled at that price that you set, the limit price, or better. But it's not going to fill you. It could fill you immediately, but it's not guaranteed to fill you immediately. It's just it's a limit. Like you're going to put a limit there and say, I got to get filled at this price or better. All right, I'm gonna short into 400 shares of NIO here. I'm in with 400 shares. I'm looking for it to reject off of this $11 point. Looking for it to reject off this $11 point, and with 400 shares, the SPY is ripping up, about to break the previous close. So the SPY is about to go into green territory on the day, and a lot of stocks are kind of following suit here. But I'm in with 400 shares of NIO. I'm just looking for this $11 rejection. We got a lot of resistance there. You can see the resistance. That's what I'm ultimately looking for, is this $11 rejection, and there we go. We're getting it right now. We're going to try to give it some time and see if we can continue down here, and hopefully it doesn't push back above 11. But if it does, it's not the end of the world. It's a pretty small sizing, and I think my entry was fine here for NIO. But yeah, I'm still holding 400 shares. We're going to see if we get the breakdown under 11. We're at 1099s. I'll let it battle, and then I'll just get out if it breaks 1105 now. We put in a high up there. I can use that level as a risk level at this point. Yeah, I mean, OTIC has to pick up some volume if I'm going to get interested in trading it. So I want to see it pick up some volume first. UAVS is bouncing. I'm not opposed to trading that one again if we get some bounces here. It's got to break 175 for me to want to get into it. And I'm probably going to get out here. Yeah, I'm going to get out. Alright, so I got out there at NIO. Not necessarily done trading it. I'm going to wait for... Yeah, UAVS has got to break 175 for me to be interested in trading it, unfortunately. What we're getting right now, guys, is the SPY is bouncing up. So if we look at the SPY now... KINS is popping up with the scanners. The SPY is ripping up. This light blue line right here is the previous closing price. It effectively tells you when a stock has gone from red to green on the day. And so that light blue line right there is the previous closing price, and that's when a stock goes from red to green on the day. And so with the SPY moving up here, it's just about whether we think it's going to go red or go from green to red on the, or go from red to green on the day. And if it does, can we profit from that? Alright, I'm getting ready to maybe short NIO here again if it breaks back under 11. Watching the overall market move here as well. I'm getting ready to potentially get back in with 1,000 shares of NIO if it breaks underneath 11 here. It's still battling it. Sure didn't fail me there yet. Like I said, I'm looking to buy 1,000 shares. That's a playlist that I made. It's not my music, but it's from Epidemic Sounds. Alright, here goes OTIC. OTIC, like I said, this one's picking up some volume, breaking highs here. I might just jump in with like 100 shares, 150 shares here. Alright, I'm in with 150 shares of OTIC. I'm going to be a little bit more patient with this one. Hopefully, get out the way. Let me make sure. Yeah, okay, I'm good. I'm going to try to be a little bit more patient, but I'm in with 150 shares of OTIC right here. Like I said, we broke over highs. We break under 72, 73, so I'm just going to get out. Alright, so the SPY is pushing up breaking highs here. So the SPY is pushing up breaking highs. We get some movement up there. We might get some breakouts if we break this previous closing price on the SPY. A lot of stuff might move up to follow it. Alright, so yeah, I am in OTIC here with 150 shares. Alright, here goes the SPY, guys. The SPY is moving up here to break highs. SPY's battling, testing, battling, testing. Alright, so we're getting that rip up in OTIC. Like I said, I called this out. We're getting some squeezes up here. Hopefully we hold. Uber. Yeah, Uber's been really strong the last few days. Yeah, I don't hate Uber. Yeah, I don't mind that precise. That's not terrible. I just took half off there, a little baby trade, but I'm gonna milk and make my little money here. Alright, so we're holding OTOC. We'll come back to this one. But I'm scaling out there to protect the trade for stuff like this. Yeah, I mean, what happened, guys, just now, like, a lot of stuff is dropping. The reason for these drops is that the market went up to that previous closing price at 317 and then just got rejected back down. Yeah, it'll say DT left for day trades left, and you'll look at the on your Thinkorswim. It'll say DT left for day trades left. I'm looking for a workhorse short under 15. Yeah. Yeah, it's alright. I don't mind Uber right there with a 32.90 risk. I'm looking at kind of both of these here. The market's just kind of trying, like the market's fighting that previous closing price. So like if we look at the market right now, team, like this is what we're really doing. So like if we look at the SPY itself, we're just battling this previous closing price right here at 317. You can see this light blue line. Like look at that. We went up and touched exactly that light blue line. And then that's what happened. So we touched the light blue line and now we're rejecting off of it. Let's see if OTIC can get up there. I'm trying to give it time in case it wants to really rip. There's the market trying to battle. The SPY itself is trying to break that 317 level again. And it's trying. Yeah, I'm looking at NIO. If it breaks under 11, I might short it. Market's getting rejected here is what's happening now. So the market actually rejected 317 again, and we're pulling back now. But, yeah, like I said, NIO breaks under 11, I might short it, but we're going to wait for that. A lot of chop in some of these stocks, unfortunately for me. I'm just kind of waiting for some momentum now. Hey, while we got a second though, guys, y'all go check out my man Trader Mike's Discord. He's got a super active penny stock Discord, a really active penny stock Discord that allows you to do a lot of fun stuff with it. So y'all go check out Mike's Discord. I'll post this link. Like I said, this is probably the most active penny stock Discord I've ever been to. And so if you guys want to check out like a really active penny stock Discord that's got a lot of talented, like profitable traders, y'all go check out Trader Mike's. Here's the link for that in the chat. Really dope Discord channel. There's the link for that. Alright, I'm waiting for OTOC to break highs here. Uber breaking down a little bit, but it's still kind of cheap there. I might pivot to like MU now. I'm in with like 400 shares of MU here. I don't know if I really love it. We're going to try to be patient with MU and see if it breaks down or not. And if not, that's okay. No. No, I'm not doing a challenge or anything like that. I mean, my penny stock account's just much smaller. If you're wondering why like this is such a small position, it's just I'm trading penny stocks with smaller sizing for sure. Alright, so I'm in U with 400 shares. I'm just using a few different platforms with it. I'm trying to figure out what to do here with the MU. Probably just get out there. I'm out of MU. Just too much consolidation. I might jump back in it. SPY's kind of bouncing, which is going to cause some upward momentum here. And so, SPY breaks highs. I got to find something that is kind of long with it. And I might look at Uber. Like if Uber can bounce back up here and the SPY starts to break highs, I might long Uber because it's kind of following the market today. So with that, I'm going to jump in Uber with 500 shares here. And then I'm just going to risk off of this 84 level. Alright, market's starting to push up to test that previous high of the day. So we are just trying to ride this up. I'm in with 500 shares of Uber. And if the market pushes up and breaks highs, then I can consequently attack Uber on the upside. That's really what we're shooting for here. What you'll see me do a lot, guys, is you'll see me build up profit on the day and then start to take larger swings with that profit. And that's just kind of how I trade. I did end up making money yesterday, or I think I lost a little bit after commissions, but I did rebound some yesterday trading. And just to show you Uber, I'm going to put OTIC here since it's such a small position. Here's the bounce that I was originally looking for here. Yeah, and then let's see if we get the 33 break. Yeah, the SPY's trying to break previous highs, so that's really what we're banking on here with Uber. I'll take half off if it gets up to like, yeah, that's fine. All right, I'm gonna take half off here. Holding 250 shares left, and again, the market's kind of creeping up here to make, to break some highs. There's 33s. Can hold the rest pretty close to break even if I want. See if we get that $33 break. If we reject there, it's obviously a worse sign. SPY kind of pulling back a little bit. What I might do is I'm going to exit here. Did it exit? I'm going to exit here. And then I don't mind trading this $33 break again, and I'm going to wait for the market to break highs. Yeah, market's pulling back. I think that's going to drop Uber here. MSMY, CBD-based sanitizer to help fight COVID. I love it. Penny stock, too cheap for me, bro. Not saying it ain't going to run. It's just too cheap for me, man. Hey, later, JP. Where is 2A? Hey, yeah, y'all remember to hit that subscribe button. Hey, I appreciate the sub. B, thank you. Y'all be like them, hit that subscribe button. Market pulling back. I might start to attack NIO like I talked about earlier. Under that $11 point, I might short. Like under this. Still holding OTIC here. Yeah, I'm gonna pass on that one too. But who knows, man? You never know with these pennies. What's up, 2-way? Where you at, 2-way? You here? I don't see him. I'm getting ready to short MU. Under 14. I'm gonna short MU here. Getting ready to short MU with 400 shares. Ideal profit target, there's 14s. All right, I'm in with 400 shares here. The ideal profit target is down to the whole $1.50 if we can for MU, but we'll see. Still watching NIO here as well. Risk level is at about 50.20, so it's about 5 cents. What's up, 2-way? There you go, man. Sorry, I saw somebody talking to you, but I didn't see your post. Alright, get ready to scalp. Whoa, MU just turned around on me. That's unfortunate. I'm gonna get out here for MU. It's not what I wanted. Kind of consolidating here. I need to wait for some momentum now. Now I have another low to get into if MU breaks like 50.12s maybe. Nice. Just waiting for some trades. I'm already up a nice amount on the day. No, you're good. Hey, later, Emiliano. Later, brother. Oof. Yeah, I think I gotta just get out of OTIC pretty soon here. Alright. Yeah, I got out of OTIC relatively close to break even. Walmart? Nah, we'll wait. CPSH popping up on the scanners for penny stocks. Oh, y'all go check out my video from yesterday. So one of the biggest questions I get here, team, is how I find stocks to trade. What tools do I use? What I use to scan for stuff, and all these different questions I get pretty consistently with my trading, right? So I put out a video yesterday on the best free trading tools. Like, all these tools are completely free. They're tools that I still use consistently to this day. And so if you want to go check out that video, here's the link for that. Hey, you're good, Brandon. You're taking it slow, which is good, brother. Alright, under 11, I'm shorting NIO. Market's breaking down too. Alright, I'm in NIO with 1,000 shares. I jumped in a little bit early, a tad bit early, so I can see if I can catch a breakdown down to like 47s. I'm also looking at MU here, so I'm going to try to manage both of these trades at once. I just jumped in MU with 500 shares. Kind of a loaded position here, but I'm in both of these positions. In MU with 500 shares, in NIO with 1,000 shares. So I'm in with 1,500 shares at the moment, trying to build up on the profit that I currently have. So wish me luck, guys. Break even in both the trades. Try to manage these well. Come on, NIO. You know you want to. There's 99s. Okay. Alright. I see you. I like this breakdown, though, on NIO. I think I gotta be patient with it, though. Oh, man, that is not what I want to see on NIO. I do not want to see a rebound over 11.05. It's the worst thing that could happen, really, with that one. Alright. Market bouncing, so NIO is just following our market, believe it or not. Weird, it's a Chinese stock, but it's just following our market. Alright. Break even right now. There we go. Well, that's not good. Yeah, I think I gotta let NU work, or NIO work here. And so I don't mind letting it work. Like I said, what you'll see me do a lot is you'll see me build up positions. And then you'll see me build up profit, and then you'll see me take swings after that. Market's just bouncing, dragging these up, unfortunately. It is what it is. Still green on the day slightly. But we're going to try to let these work and give it time. Got to use, I think, a risk level of about 1110 here for NIO. And at least the MU's breaking down. Okay, there's fives. I'm going to take half off for MU. Profit a little bit. I'm holding 200 shares left for MU. NIO is coming back down, which is good. It was. I'm going to let NU just battle this out here. Still green on the day, but nah. Obviously not ideal. Well, MU's at least working for me. Alright, well, about break even right now on both of these trades if I'm looking at all of them together. MU trade was good. This one's so-so. Gotta get out the rest of MU break even here though. Made my money on it. There we go. Here you go, NIO. I know you wanted to. Alright, come on, NIO. There you go. That's what I wanted you to see. Let's get that $11 break. I like the weakness on NIO though. I do like the weakness here. Wish me luck on these trades, guys. You know what, MU? I'm probably about to exit you. Alright, NIO. We are now green. For once. Break even for NIO now. Alright. Come on, let's get that $11 break for NIO. You know you want to. I'm just gonna get out of MU there. I'm out of MU, it's just taking too long there. NIO. We need a little bit more here though. We're trying. It needs to reject here. If not, I've got to bail out of this thing. If it bounces again, it's just too sideways. Yeah, there's the bounce. About to exit this one. Frustrating. Just doesn't want to go. Just too choppiness. I think I'm caught in chop. The market's breaking down, which kind of should drag this one down, but looks like I got out of AMD at the right time, at least. I like the rejection. Like I said, it's got to reject here. Yeah, I'm not trusting him right now, Vincento. It's just too, it's too choppy. It's sideways right now, unfortunately. It's just got to reject at 1103, 1104. About break even right now, but market coming down should help if the market breaks down. Yeah, what is RAD doing? RAD? Yeah, I haven't looked at RAD in a long time either. Yeah, it's up to 18 bucks. It's not doing bad. What was it at before though? Yeah, RAD 8's doing good. Looks solid. About break even on this NIO trade. I mean, I'm trying to be patient with it, but this little babe is taking too long, man. Yeah, I just gotta get out. Frustrating. Like, I tried to give NIO the chance. It's just sideways. There's not enough volume right now. Volume is certainly slowing down in the market. So green still, but break-even day, I'm sure. Check Apple. Apple looks strong. They're kind of following the market though. That's the problem. CRVS, not really my style right now. Too late to trade penny stocks for me. I mean, I'm trading NIO, which is kind of a penny stock, and maybe WKHS if it continues to rebound here. But hey, remember guys, hit that subscribe button, click the bell. We do this live every day. Hey, later. Later, Sid. Yeah, Uber's looking weak. I might scalp MU under $50. Snapchat. Snapchat breaking highs here. I don't mind attacking Snapchat here. I don't mind that little breakout. Let's see. I'm gonna get on this little baby 300 shares here. Alright, I'm in with 300 shares of Snapchat. We're gonna see if that works. I'm also looking at 1,000 shares of MU. Yeah, a little bit slow. Yeah, it is what it is. It's a good day. You know, we're having fun. Slightly green in penny stock land. Slightly, you know. Yeah, I'm gonna scale into a little bit more with Snapchat. I'm in with 600 shares of this thing. Looking to see it bounce off of 40. If it doesn't, I gotta get out. Yeah, I got out of NIO too. It's just squeezing up too much. Maybe, one thing I'm noticing about my trading, guys, is that, yeah, I gotta get out. My risk is like 35 here. One thing I'm noticing about my trading, though, is that I'm usually green at the beginning of the day, and then for some reason, I just force a bunch of trades that I shouldn't, and end up giving it back. I've been in a little bit of a slump the last month, for sure. I mean, my account's still well into the profit, but frustrating for sure. I gotta get out here. I think the last 2 days have just been choppy. I mean, and I've ended green most of them. It's not a terrible day by any means, but I definitely think there's some things I could be doing better if I'm being honest about it. Like, I'm not one of those traders that needs validation, so it's like, it is what it is, you know. Still looking at shorting maybe NIO, or not NIO, maybe MU. What's AMD doing here? I'm looking at Workhorse. If Workhorse breaks like 1650s, I might long it. Yeah, if AMD breaks under 53, like 25, I'm gonna short that too. Yeah, for sure, two-way, 100%, man. It's tough, man. People don't realize, like, this stream, like, I want to trade for everybody, but I think sometimes it's best to just slow it down and not trade. And that's why sometimes you'll see me do better. Like if I might scalp Snapchat at the top here if it breaks those highs over 25.50. But yeah, that's why you'll see me sometimes do better in like power hour, where I'll like refresh, I'll take a day off, or I'll take a break during the day and then come back when it's more volatile and just make money. But man, what is that thing? Like, I got that light up there. You see that? That's my lighting, I guess. Let me try to fix it. That's a little bit better, I guess, but now I look like a vampire. That's cool. Whatever. Sideways day, though. Weird. A few things breaking up on the upside. We got NIO doing that. We got a Workhorse. Workhorse just broke highs. I'm going to get in with 300 shares here and see if we can squeeze up to the whole dollar of like 17. Try to be patient enough for the pullbacks here to really nail it. I got greedy. I got greedy there, team. I was about to hit it too, but I got greedy. Look at this pullback. Yeah, I gotta get out there. Man, that's frustrating. I just got greedy there. I was about to take profits and I just stopped. Now we might bounce again and I might attack it again, but this has been the common trend of my trading lately, which is that I make money and then I end up just giving it back later during the day. MU bouncing. I mean, we're getting some bounces here. Nah, this is my real account. I mean, it's leveraged. This is leveraged, but it's a real account. See, I might take a few hundred shares of Workhorse here and then try to be patient and let it work. Because like Workhorse fought so hard to rebound, I think it might, but there's the market ripping up here. I'm still looking at Snapchat if it breaks those highs up there too. Yeah, for sure, 100%. Well, guys, this is how you completely botch your trading on the day. I'm gonna get out. Yeah, I gotta get out. Well, guys, that's how you botch your trading on the day. Like I said, my biggest issue right now is that, like I said, first of all, my account's up to $8,300 in profit. So, like, I'm up $8,000. Definitely been a little bit of a pullback few months here. And I think what's happening is that I'm trading and I'm getting in some green trades, but then I'm continuing to trade. And that is causing me to basically just give back my profit on the day. And it is what it is, you know. Something I certainly got to work on for sure. Maybe I'll take one more trade, but I mean, I'm down over 200 bucks. It's not a huge, like, piece of my account. Like, down 200 bucks isn't crazy. But obviously I don't want to be down that much. But it is what it is, you know. Maybe I'll catch some momentum if the market breaks highs, and I'm still looking at Snapchat. But frustrating day for sure. Yeah, that might be the case. I notice I'm having much better results two-way a little bit earlier in the day for sure. I'm scalping momentum, and so it's like I'm just giving some back later in the day. This has been the pattern for the last week or so. Yeah, probably what I should do, Vincent. Yeah, like I said, I just gotta be honest about my trading. Like, I'm doing okay. Last year has been very profitable. You know, I'm up, like I said, I'm up like 8,500 roughly, maybe a little bit less after commissions. But $8,000, I'm very happy with it. But obviously, like, I'm not an expert here. Like, neither Mitch and I both were not experts, and in the end, it's gonna take time for me to readjust my trading to deal with the larger sizing that I'm taking. So, like, what happens is, like, I scale up, I end up sizing back down, and then I do well, so I scale back up, and then I give it back sometimes. And I think I'm trading new stocks. Like, I'm trading Workhorse, which I don't usually trade, and I'm trying to get used to trading it, but it's got a lot larger range than I'm really used to be honest. And so I think that is causing me to kind of take some swings and do some things. And in the end, I need to probably just chill out a little bit and be happy when I get a green day is what I probably should focus on. NIO going back up. Yeah, NIO's up there. It's got to break highs. A lot. This is the problem as well. The last few days is, like, look at NIO's overall trend. It's just sideways. You know, look at the VWAP. The VWAP's what's going to tell you the trend. Up, down, up, down. And so, it is what it is. If the market breaks highs, I might scalp the top of some of these moves. Is probably what I'm going to try to do. And like I said, I mean, when you day trade live every day on stream, you're going to lose sometimes. Like, you're going to lose sometimes, you're going to win sometimes. And, like, the reality is you're going to see me trade well, you're going to see me trade bad. You know, when Mitch was here, it's the same way, you know. And so, like, the reality is that it is what it is. I can't get too upset about it. And I just need to readjust my trading and fix the holes that I have in my game recently. And get used to trading the different stocks that I'm trading. Like I said, the market breaks up highs here. I might long the upside, but it just depends. What did Uber end up doing? You know what I haven't heard from lately is Lyft. I have not heard from Lyft at all lately. NIO long term might be okay. I mean, it's a Chinese electric vehicle maker, and you know, with anything, it's tough to tell long term. It might, but like I said, I've been watching NIO for years, You know, like if we look at NIO here, like I've been watching NIO since it was way over here. And so I saw it go up to 12, and then I saw it come back down to $1, and then I saw it go back up. And so it's like, I know electric vehicles are the hype right now in the market. Like all the electric vehicle stocks are pumping up, but like you got to look at it as what it really is, which some of it is certainly hype with the whole electric vehicle sector popping off and NIO benefiting from that. Different sectors pop off, you know, every now and then in the market, right? Like we've had crypto boom, we've had electric vehicle boom, we've had construction boom with stuff like LFIN and all these other stocks. And so you get different parabolic sectors that pop off here. Currently, we're in the electric vehicle sector, but looking at the long-term chart of NIO, it's 50-50, man. It's 50-50. And like, I know it's really easy to get behind the hype, and I hope it does well, because ultimately I want electric vehicles to do well. But like, you got to look at things realistically as well here. You got to look at things realistically as well. And I know certain people might be holding it, and I hope it does well. I really do. But again, you get these different sectors that pop off, and like lately it's been electric vehicles, but that hype is gonna die down eventually. Like it just will. And so whether NIO succeeds long term, I don't know, man. I can't say yes or no. I'm not convinced enough to invest in it, and I hope I'm wrong, because I hope electric vehicles do well. But like, that's just my subjective opinion on it. Hope that makes sense. I'm not trying to rag on anybody's investments or anything like that. That's just my subjective opinion, and you know, maybe I'm wrong. I could very well be wrong too. Yeah, they had the weed boom as well. Roku popping off. Yeah, Roku's ripping up big here. Wow. Maybe a pullback to like 134.50 might sway me to take MU or any of those. My ears are like pounding, guys. I wonder what that is. That's weird. Weird. Yeah, right. I mean, and sectors do that. Like, sectors pop off and then they die, and they pop off and then they die. And like I said, right now, NIO is benefiting from the electric vehicle boom. Like, that's what's going on. And so it's just about whether you think the hype is going to sustain. Yeah, they had the crypto boom with like MARA, DPW, you know, all that good stuff in the crypto sector. I remember that. Yeah, I mean, we might come back. Yeah, for sure. Fearless. Yeah, I mean, like I said, that's just kind of how it goes. Like I said, we could come back. I hope it does. You know, I hope. I think it's an absolutely ridiculous thing that cannabis is illegal, and it's mostly like, it's not just pharmaceutical companies, but it's mostly conservative lobbyists, right? Like, the reality is, like, they sell liquor is an objectively more harmful drug. Liquor is objectively more harmful. It's way worse for you. It causes worse impairment, and it's worse for your body. It's worse for your physical self, right? Liquor, 100%, objectively speaking, way worse than cannabis, right? But you can buy liquor at gas stations, you know, in Louisiana. You can buy liquor anywhere you want. Over 21, you know, they let you get as drunk as you want, right? But cannabis is illegal, which is ridiculous. A lot of it is law enforcement lobbyists. And it's not about legalizing another drug. People are going to say, why should we legalize another drug? It's not about that. It's about having an even standard of drugs that are legal. You know, it's about not being a hypocrite when it comes to different substances. because like that's the reality of it, right? It should objectively speaking be legal. There needs to be a consistent, even standard of things that are legal and outlawed, right? And again, if you're going to legalize and keep legal an objectively more harmful drug, which is alcohol, then cannabis should certainly be legal, right? But, you know, in the end, like I said, a lot of times it's law enforcement lobbying against that because they're ultimately going to lose a ton of money if cannabis becomes legal. You know, not just from people in jail, it's also the private prison industry, but law enforcement is going to lose a ton of money. And so who do you see lobbying against cannabis, demonizing it, is law enforcement. In the end, I'm pretty middle ground when it comes to politics, but I think that is an absolutely absurd thing that law enforcement is just using to profit on from this point. Yeah, for sure. Yeah, I'm waiting for the SPY to see if we break highs of the day at that 317 level for the SPY in the market itself. Oh, also guys, I created a new Discord. Let me find it. Yeah, I mean, psychedelics probably should be legal too. I don't know about LSD, but mushrooms certainly probably should. We were all young once, you know. But no. But yeah, guys, I created a new Discord. It's gonna be debuting really in about a week or in about a month. Let me see. Or in a few weeks, I'm going to be putting out this new Discord. So go join it. We're not really going to be super active talking about stuff for the next few weeks, but I'm just trying to get a decent subscriber base to the Discord so we can go ahead and use it later. Yeah, and I mean, anything, here's the thing though, anything overdoing anything is bad for people in general, right? But again, objectively speaking, if you're going by an even standard, like listen, like people have demonized cannabis for a long time. The reality is that we have cannabinoid receptors in our brain. And so what that shows us is that our ancient ancestors have done cannabis for thousands of years. You know what I mean? And so, in the end, same thing with alcohol. But in the end, it's just, like I said, mostly law enforcement that's trying to keep it illegal because they're going to lose a ton of their funding if it becomes legal. And they already kind of are with the whole CBD thing going on right now. But, like, that's the reality of it. Like, objectively speaking, like, they demonize it. Coffee is legal, you know, same type of thing. They might be able to see you. There you go. Hey, bud. Yeah, I'm looking at maybe Roku here. I'm in Roku here trying to scalp the highs. Maybe not the right idea, but we're gonna get 100 shares here and see if we can make some money with it. And if we can't, this will be my last trade. didn't want to switch Roku. There we go. Problem with Roku is that it's so extended away from the VWAP. Volume's starting to come down on it. Trying to be patient with Roku, but man, yeah, I'm probably gonna hang it up for the day. Just not my day. Down 240 bucks, a big loss today. But it is what it is. Like I said, long-term direction of my account is up, although the last few weeks have been tough. We'll see what happens, but yeah, frustrating day for sure. Just not my day. I think I'm taking too big of swings a little bit later, and I think I should probably just learn to keep my profit. Like, I was up 150 bucks today. I probably should have just sat on my wins. With that said, but like I said, it is what it is. Yes, I scalp short, tiny. Yeah, for sure. What softwares do I use? Cody, I got a video for you to watch. Yeah, y'all go check out my video from yesterday. I'm gonna be dropping another video today on some good strategies, some fun strategies that I still consistently use. And so, yeah, y'all go check out this video I uploaded yesterday. It's on a bunch of free trading tools to take advantage of. Sometimes. Yeah, y'all go check out that video in the chat. Like I said, I might trade some more and just kind of trade in the zone and trade off stream and just try to kind of regroup and fight back. And so if you want to see how I do for the rest of the day, like I said, I did create another Discord that I'm going to be building up soon. And like I said, we're going to debut this Discord in about a week or two. And so y'all go join this Discord. Yeah, you're good, Tiny, no stress. Y'all go join this Discord, and like I said, y'all can hang out and chat right now, and we're gonna be, man, snap. I'll wait. Y'all can hang out and chat, and yeah, we'll start talking a little bit more a little bit later in the Discord. But also, guys, if you haven't already, go check out TradeNet and Tefs. If you're not in the U.S., if you're outside of the U.S., in my opinion, the cheapest way to get started is the same platform that I'm using. Luckily, I got grandfathered in. They don't accept U.S. clients to the funded account program anymore. You can still buy packages, but if you're outside the U.S., you get access to the funded account program through these packages. The base package is $400, and with that, you get 14,000 in buying power to trade with. And so there's no PDT rule. You can day trade in short stocks. The $400 package gives you 14,000 with shorting ability and no PDT rule, and you can day trade as much as you want. It operates like a prop firm, and so there's a 70-30 split. There's a max loss of 700, but you're getting 14,000 to trade with for $400 basically. And it also comes with a course and a demo account and access to their chat room. And if you're outside of the US, objectively speaking, I think it's probably the cheapest way to get started day trading the market. And so if you want to check out that link, there it is right there. If you want to use the same platform as us, you can check out that link there. Yeah, like I said, I might trade a little bit on this breakout off stream, though. I need to kind of regroup my head. I'm just creating a new Discord chase and moving everybody over. That last one had too much nonsense in it. And kind of fluff and bots and stuff like that. So I'm just switching it over to a new one. But yeah, y'all go check out the new Discord. Nice, Vincent. Nice, brother. Hey, welcome, man. But yeah, also, guys, y'all go check out Weeble. If you another way to help support our free content, like everything we do here is free, team. And so another good way to help support our free content is checking out Weeble. If you sign up and deposit $100, you get a free stock. And you get 2 free stocks. If you sign up, you get a free stock, and if you deposit $100, you get another free stock just for signing up and depositing $100. It's got a free paper trading platform. And it allows you to have 0 commission options trades, stock trading, and free paper trading. So go check out Weeble. Here's the link in the chat for that. Remember to smash that subscribe button, guys, and click the like button. We day trade for free every single weekday on YouTube, and so I hope you appreciate the support. We're going to be dropping another video today, and I might include, if I do trade off stream, I'll probably include that trade in that video as well. So join the new Discord I posted. Another Discord for you to join is Trader Mike's Discord, and let me find that link as well. Probably the most active penny stock Discord I've been to is Trader Mike's, and so it's a really fun Discord. I'll post this link really quick so you can go check out Trader Mike's. You can also check out Trade Ideas, which I've been making money every day in penny stocks. I'm up today in penny stocks as well, and one of the ways I can do that is by Trade Ideas. And so go check out Trade Ideas. The link is in the chat right there. You can get 15% off by using our promo code there. Good luck, guys. Tough day for me. I'm going to try to, trade by myself a little bit and rebound on some of these moves. Wish me luck. I'll try to record the trade if I do. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Have a good day. Good luck in the market, guys. I appreciate all the love and support. Hit the like button. Hit the subscribe button. We'll see you guys tomorrow.